In this video, we will write equations of parabolas from its vertex and either focus or directrix. In the first example, we have the directrix. So the directrix is the vertical line right there, and it's on the outside of the parabola, it's not on the inside. We have a parabola opening left. So, and here we have the x equals, this is the vertex form of a parabola opening sideways. And because this parabola opens left, I know a will be less than 0, or a will be negative. Okay, vertex is h and k. And the vertex is that point right there to where I have vertex, h is -2, k is 0. So directrix is this line right here. So it's a vertical line. So it's x equals, it's going through 1. Okay, why do I need all this? Well, in the end, we're going to need all this information to write the equation of this line. I have c right here on the graph, and I know c is the distance from the vertex to the directrix. That's c right there. And in this case, it is 1, 2, 3. So c equals 3. Remember, c is 1 over 4 times absolute value of a. Absolute value because we're talking distance here. So it doesn't matter what you're going to end up with. That's going to be always a positive because it's distance. And then in this case, because your parabola is opening left, a will end up being negative. We just need to remember to write that in vertex form when it all comes together. So c, we just learned that is 3 right here. So substitute 3 for c. 1 over 4 times a. We're doing this to find a. We multiply that. We have 12a. Divide by 12. You have that a is 1 over 12. Now we have everything we need. We have a, we have h, we have k. You're welcome to write it all over here off to the side, or we can just go ahead and write the equation of this parabola right here. So it is x equals, because it opens side to side. So x equals, I know a is negative because it opens left. So negative 1 over 12. K is 0, so just y squared, plus h. Oh, h is -2. So minus 2, not plus, -2. That looks funny. So minus 2. Okay. The next example, we have a parabola opening up. So y equals, and this is the vertex form for a parabola opening up or down. Because this one opens up, I know a will be positive. So a will be greater than 0. I have the vertex here. The vertex is that right there. So 0 for x or h, and -4 for k. Now this point right here, that's the focus. Focus is the inside, it's on the inside of the parabola, not on the line. It's inside the parabola. And I can tell that c is 2 right there. So I have focus is 0, -2. And at this point, I already know from example 1 that it's 1 over 4 absolute value of a. C is 2. Multiply, I have 8a. Divide both sides by 8. I have 1 over 8. Okay, I have a, h, and k. Remember the vertex h and k right there. Now we have everything we need to write our equation. So y equals, a is positive, so 1 over 8. H is 0, so just x squared, plus k. so minus 4. One more example. This one, the vertex form is going to be x equals, like we did on number 1, a y minus k squared plus h. And because this parabola opens to the right, I know a is going to be positive. The vertex is 1, 4. Remember, the vertex is h and k, still h and k. And then here's the focus, is 5, 4. And the focus is only good for me to be able to find C. So C is 1, 2, 3, 4. And I know equals 1 over 4a. You know it's absolute value of a. Multiply, you get 16a. Divide both sides by 16. You have 1 over 16. Okay, now what? I have a, h, and k. Bring it all together right there. So x equals, a is positive because it opens right. Y minus k, k is 4, squared, plus h, h is 1. The end.